Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be replacing this Series 20 rear windscreen wiper, which is hidden behind this spoiler recessed under there. Now, of course, you can't get into it like the Series 10. This is a slightly different way to access it, but you can see my Series 10 video on this as well. But here what we need to do is get the wiper to stop in the vertical position. Now if your wiper's not been working for a while, and here's one I replaced, you can see the rubber has peeled away, but there's no metal exposed here. So a lot of dust was sticking up before I got this fixed. So I've washed the screen with soap water, and then I've started doing the procedure so not to drag the grime all across the screen and scratch the screen. So I'm going to show you how to get this wiper down to the vertical mode. So we're going to go to the front of the car, okay, and we're going to do it from here. So off we go to the front of the car, and we're going to press the start button until we get the ping ping noise, and then one more time and that will switch on the electrics. Then we're going to go to this area here, and we're going to pull back. We're going to get the rear wipers working, okay. And when we've got the rear wipers in the position, the vertical position, by looking in the rear mirror, we're going to press this button. That will stop it. Okay, so we're going to do that now, and we're going to try and get in the vertical. So if you go around to the back, that's quite close. Okay, now when we've got it in position, ideally it'll be a little bit better than that. We're going to look at the old wiper, and we're going to have this recessed bit pointing up towards the sky. Okay, so that's how it's fitted here, and that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I'm going to try, as I said, ideally it would be better placed. Okay, but here you can see I'm going to hold on to this arm here and this area here. I'm going to pull down sharply down, and it comes out. You might have to wiggle it down. Now we don't want this snapping down onto the windscreen, so we're going to hold that in place. And this is actually the new wiper that I put in. Okay, so I'm going to fit it again. So recess pointing up towards the sky, and we're going to clip this notch, which this little round bar. So in we go like that. Okay, and you'll see it goes in at this angle, and then there we go. So the next thing we're going to do is, once we've got it in, we're just going to press it down, and that's it, done. So I said I'll tell you the part number for this in the video, and it's on the ground here, and it's H409 Bosch, which is a perfect fit for this this part. Now in order to get that back up, we're just going to start the electrics again, same way, and it will just park itself back in. And it's as simple as that, changing the windscreen wiper. It takes about a minute once you know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, you'll be there for quite a while. Thank you for watching this video, and parts list is in the back, in the description.